In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install YouTube on your Skyworth TV, whether the app didn't come pre-installed or you accidentally uninstalled it. The process is simple and works on most Android-based Skyworth smart TVs. First, grab your remote and go to the Smart Center or App Store on your TV's home screen. Look for the search option and type in YouTube. Once you find the official YouTube app, click on it and hit install. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi so the download can complete smoothly. If you don't see an app store or can't find YouTube directly, check if your Skyworth TV uses the Android TV interface. If it does, go to the Play Store, search for YouTube, and install it just like you would on a phone or tablet. After installation, open the app, sign in with your Google account, and you're good to go. If none of these options work, maybe your TV doesn't support the latest version of YouTube, consider using a web browser like Chrome or Firefox if available, and visit m.youtube.com for a mobile-friendly version of YouTube. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get YouTube up and running on your Skyworth TV, drop a comment below and let me know if your TV was Android-based or used a different system. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.